Every masterpiece of a fragrance begins in the heart of nature. Here in Provence, the lavender fields stretch toward the horizon, glowing under the first morning light. Lavender is more than just a flower in this region. It is the very soul of France, embodying centuries of tradition and natural elegance for the world. As the sun rises, the morning dew clings to the delicate buds, preserving the freshness and the intoxicating aroma that will soon become a luxury essence. The air is thick with a scent that is both calming and powerful, a prelude to the complex journey these flowers are about to undertake today. The harvest begins with precision and care. Modern machinery moves through the rows, ensuring that the bounty of the earth is gathered at its absolute peak. Rhythmic and efficient, the blades work in harmony with the landscape, collecting thousands of blossoms that will eventually be transformed into precious drops of liquid gold. Mountains of violet bloom fill the containers, a spectacular sight that represents the hard work of the season and the beginning of the luxurious creation process. The journey from the soil to the laboratory starts here. These mobile mountains of purple are transported quickly to preserve the volatile oils within the petals. With the dawn fading into day, the fields have given their best, and the focus shifts from the open sky to the precision of the factory. Welcome to the sanctuary of scent. Here, the raw beauty of nature meets the cutting-edge technology of French industrial excellence and sophisticated perfume engineering. As the flowers arrive, they are introduced to a world of sterile precision. The conveyor belts carry the harvest into the heart of the sorting facility. Every stem is treated with respect. The flow is constant and smooth, ensuring that no damage comes to the precious oil-bearing glands of the lavender. Advanced robotics and AI sensors scan the harvest in milliseconds. Only the finest, most fragrant buds are selected to move forward in the extraction process. Impure elements are cast aside with surgical accuracy. In the world of high-end perfumery, there is absolutely no room for error or compromise in quality. The selected blossoms are funneled into enormous steel vats. It is here that the physical form of the flower will be left behind for something ethereal. This environment is a masterpiece of engineering, designed to capture the fleeting essence of the fields and lock it into a stable, concentrated liquid form. The air fills with the sound of steam and the hum of machinery. The transformation is beginning, a process known as steam distillation, perfected over centuries. In these massive vessels, heat and pressure work together to awaken the sleeping scent molecules hidden deep within the heart of every single purple petal. Steam rises through the layers of flowers, gently lifting the essential oil. It is a delicate dance of physics, where heat releases the fragrance without burning. The heat must be perfectly controlled. Even a few degrees of difference can alter the final scent profile, turning a masterpiece into an ordinary oil. As the aromatic vapor cools, it begins to condense. Small droplets start to form against the glass, marking the birth of a new fragrance essence. One by one, the droplets fall. It takes thousands of flowers to produce just a few milliliters of this precious, concentrated lavender essential oil. In the Florentine flask, a natural separation occurs. The pure essential oil rises to the top, while the fragrant floral water settles below it. This golden layer is the prize. It is the concentrated life force of the Provence fields, captured in a bottle, ready for the next stage. Every second of the distillation is monitored by experts. They ensure the balance of temperature and time is kept to the most exacting standards imaginable. The complexity of the system is a testament to the pursuit of perfection. Every pipe and valve plays a crucial role in this aromatic symphony. The distillation is complete. What remains is a liquid that carries the memory of the sun, the soil, and the wind of the French countryside. It is thick, rich, and incredibly potent. A single drop can scent an entire room, yet it is only the beginning of the perfume's life. We now enter the realm of science. In the sterile environment of the lab, the raw oil will be tested for its ultimate quality and purity. Nanofiltration removes the tiniest impurities, ensuring that the final product is crystal clear and free from any particles that could cloud the fragrance. The gas chromatography reveals the chemical fingerprint of the oil. Scientists check for the perfect balance of linalool and linaloyl acetate, the markers of premium lavender. But machines only tell half the story. The ultimate judge is the nose, a master perfumer with a sense of smell trained over decades of experience. He evaluates the top notes, looking for that initial burst of freshness that defines the quality of a high-end French perfume from the very first spray. Every batch is recorded and graded. Only the oil that meets the absolute pinnacle of olfactory standards will be allowed to bear the brand's name. The science of scent is as complex as the art. Every molecule is analyzed to ensure consistency across every single bottle produced in this facility. Now, the lavender meets its companion. It is blended with other rare ingredients to create the complex layers of a signature luxury fragrance. The heart notes and base notes are added, creating a narrative that will unfold on the wearer's skin over the course of an entire day. The stage is set for the final presentation. These empty vessels of crystal and glass are waiting to hold the soul of the lavender fields. With surgical precision, the robotic fillers dispense the exact amount of fragrance. The speed is incredible, yet the accuracy is down to the microgram. Watching the bottles fill is a satisfying display of modern engineering, where liquid art is packaged for the world's most discerning luxury consumers. Each bottle is sealed tight, locking in the aroma and preventing any oxidation. The click of the cap signifies the completion of the liquid's journey. A laser engraves the prestigious logo directly onto the glass. This is the mark of authenticity, a symbol of French heritage and luxury craftsmanship. The branding is as permanent as the legacy of the perfume itself. It represents a promise of quality that spans generations of master perfumers. Technology is balanced with the human touch. Hand finishing ensures that every bottle is treated as a unique work of art before it leaves. This final detail is a nod to the traditional roots of French perfumery, where every single bottle was prepared by hand with ultimate care. The packaging is a sanctuary for the scent. Lined with velvet and gold leaf, it protects the bottle from light and temperature changes during travel. A stream of luxury flows out of the factory, destined for the high-end boutiques of Paris, New York, Tokyo, and beyond. Each box represents a piece of France, a fragment of the lavender fields transformed into a global icon of style and sophistication. Behold the final result. A bottle that captures the essence of 1,000 flowers, a masterpiece of design and a triumph of modern alchemy. Inside this glass, the spirit of Provence lives on, waiting for the moment it is released to tell its story on the skin. For the wearer, now this is more than just a fragrance. It is an invisible accessory, a boost of confidence, and a personal statement of elegance. As she sprays, the mist atomizes perfectly, releasing the top notes of fresh lavender and the hidden heart of the French countryside in one breath. The scent settles, evolving and changing with the warmth of the skin, creating a unique and personal aura that lasts for many hours. We return to where it all began. The sun sets over the fields of Provence, marking the end of one day and the beginning of another. From the quiet Thung Lung of the south to the bright lights of Paris, The journey of the lavender is a bridge between two worlds. It is a testament to the enduring power of nature and the incredible skill of the people who know how to harvest its secrets. Every time a bottle is chosen, a new journey begins, a new memory is created, and the heritage of French perfume is carried forward. France remains the undisputed capital of fragrance, a place where the earth and the lab exist in a perfect, beautiful, and aromatic harmony. Remember that behind every bottle lies a field, a farmer, a scientist, and a perfumer, all working to capture a moment of pure perfection. French lavender, a journey of heritage, a process of precision, and a result of pure luxury. Experience the soul of Provence in every single drop.